Welcome to another Form Titan DocuSign video, and in this video I'll show you how to use Salesforce button in Titan DocuSign. So once you've installed our package, you will get an FT generate button that comes as part of the package. And once you click on it, you'll be able to access all the documents here that you want to send as a signee and get them signed off by your contacts or any custom objects, what have you. And I'm going to show you how to use that today. First thing first, I'll get a contract in here. Let's insert like a brand new one, and we'll call this one SF button contract. Okay, and what I'll do is I'll add some fields on here for now, and I'll show you how it works. It's a very small contract, so it shouldn't take too long to explain. Get text field in here, and I'll hide the label like this, make it a bit wider. Cool. And what I'll do is I'll just copy and paste this in here, copy and paste this in here, and copy and paste this in here. And then I'll just go ahead and tag them for now. Call this one first name, this one last name, this one email, and this one mobile. Okay, and then I'll get a signature field in here. We'll make this a bit bigger and wider. Once you've done that, there are a few things you need to do. First thing first is you need to go to Salesforce button, you need to go to document access, and I'm going to set it as dynamic because it's going to be generated from Salesforce. So you click Salesforce configuration, choose contact, and you need to check allow Salesforce button. If this isn't checked, it's not going to work. So that's one of the things you need to do. From there on, you need to go ahead and add a user. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to configure directly from Salesforce. We add an object, we'll choose contact, and my condition is going to be contact ID equals record ID. Okay, so this record ID is going to be the record that we generate the button from. From here on, I can just map a couple of the fields like first name, last name, and email. Apply, apply, apply. And that's done. And now all I need to do is assign these fields here to each of the user that I'm going to have. So in the document, this is my user. I'll just call in the user. And then I'm going to go ahead and highlight the rest of the fields here. And I'm going to assign a user like this. Okay. Once it's been assigned, I can save the document. This is now good to go. But there are a couple of things we need to do. In your Form Titan builder, you must make sure the user accessing it is a collaborator. Okay, so click on Add Collaborators, fill in your name. I'm going to fill my name in there, like this, and then click Next. And from there on, what you want to do is you have an option called DocuSign. Okay, and then you want to ensure that they have ability to sign these documents. Okay, so you need to check sign, and you are good to go. You don't have to worry about allow create as a collaborator. You just need to make sure that the sign is available. And then click finish. And now it has been created. Then in your document generation, make sure that you click save. So the entry is created in Salesforce to use the document generation package. And from here on, all I have to do is go to Joe Blogs here, like this. Click on my FD contact page, and there is my button. Okay, Salesforce button contract. From here on, I can click sign. Now the request is going to be processed and sent to my Gmail, like this. So I go to my Gmail now. Like this. Let's wait for it to come through. That's just me saying I've been added as a collaborator. Okay, and here it is. You are requested to sign the document. And I'm just going to copy this because the contract we just generated this from is Joe Blogs, and it's got this email address in there, the Gmail one. Okay, that's why it's come to me. So I'm going to copy this, go to incognito mode. So I'll show you what it looks like from scratch. It's going to load, and now I have to enter my email. So it will send me a 2FA code to make it nice and secure. Click confirm, and now the code is going to be in my email, like this, 31724. 31724, click confirm, and I'm in. Now all I have to do is enter the data in here. Like this. I'll go ahead and sign it, use signatures like this, and then finish sign. And now this is going to get submitted. And once the document has been submitted, you'll get a confirmation saying, hey, thank you for signing the document. These are your details. And that's it. And the process is now completed. And this is how you pretty much create the Salesforce button. There are a couple of things you need to make sure. One of them is that you've saved the domain so that the entry has been created in Salesforce. Then make sure you're added as a collaborator. And once you're added as a collaborator, make sure that under the DocuSign, you've given the sign permission to that document. And once you've done that, you click on the Salesforce button, and then the button will appear, and then you'll be able to go ahead and sign and send that document over. Also, you must make sure that in your Salesforce configuration, you've selected your object, and then you allow Salesforce button to be checked. And that's it, and that's pretty much it, and your document is done, and you are good to go. And then the confirmation will be sent to you via email, or it can be attached to the related list of that contact under the under the Titan signed documents, and you'll be able to find a full history of it there in terms of what's happened, who you sent it to, what's the status like, it's been completed, and then you will also get the tracking log as well, where you'll see the full signatures in as well. And this is how it's done.